This is not financial advice, not legal advice, for entertainment, educational purposes only, and anything I say is my opinion. Please don't make any financial decision based on anything I say in these videos. Double check your subscribe to the channel, double check notifications are on, and if you hit that like button, double check it's working properly, because these bad actors are doing everything in their power to suppress the channel, to make sure that more people aren't aware of the fraud and corruption in the United States stock market. Anyway, listen. Everyone has been anticipating the Circle IPO. I mean, it is going to be, well, I believe it's the biggest IPO in the last probably 2 years. The biggest IPO in the last 2 years. They were first pricing it between $27 and $28, and now they've pushed that price up to $31, which means they're giving it a valuation of about $6.9 billion. And I believe this is because the demand for Circle is out of control. And a lot of it has to do, in my opinion, and I'm not telling you to buy, hold, or sell Circle. It has to do with the fact that Coinbase and Ripple were attempting to purchase Circle prior to the IPO. And the thing is, I know a few people that want to jump in, and I agree with them that I believe Circle is worth more than $31 a share, but it's not what I think. It's what the market thinks. And we will see what happens at 9:30 when the bell opens. But if the Circle IPO goes well, and I believe that it will, I believe that's going to have a positive impact on XRP and the crypto industry as a whole. And if Circle can have a valuation of 6.9, and if it goes up even higher, which I believe it will, but I don't have a crystal ball, I can't see what the market's going to do. But can you imagine what the IPO would be for Ripple? Okay, bottom line is this. The Circle IPO, in my opinion, is good for the market, is good for crypto, and it will give us a gauge as to what the value of Ripple could be if Ripple has an IPO. But I still believe that Ripple LUSD, Ripple stablecoin, the RLUSD, is going to eventually end up taking over USDC. And it's all because of the infrastructure, the partnerships that Ripple spent the last 10 years building when Gary Gensler and the SEC was attacking them on U.S. soil. Anyway, please leave some comments. Tell me what you think. Do you think that the Circle IPO is going to exceed the $31 valuation? Anyway, have a great day. God bless, and I appreciate y'all on this journey with me.